Hey, and welcome back to another 12 days of giveaways, where every day for 12 days, I'm going to share a quick holiday tip and give away one of my favorite things. Today's holiday tip is all about a cleaning schedule that's fast and easy and perfect for this time of year. I don't know about your house, but Christmas is such a hectic time for me. There's more cooking and baking and wrapping and shopping and holiday parties, and my house can suffer. I just don't have the time to dedicate to cleaning my house, but I also need to have a clean house because people are coming over. Hence why I love this cleaning routine. Anytime I'm feeling overwhelmed by my home, I focus on the Fab Five. This is what I call this: 5 things that you have to focus on, and the only things you need to focus on to have a clean and tidy home for Christmas. Before you start cleaning, make sure you gather all your favorite cleaning supplies in a little caddy so it's really easy to take from space to space, and also put on an apron. Not only will you look fabulous, but if you have ADHD or even if you're just easily distracted, an apron keeps you focused. It's like a mental reminder of, oh, it's cleaning time. So putting on an apron, it protects your clothes, but more importantly, it keeps you in the right mindset. The first of the Fab Five is your kitchen. Focus on your kitchen. It is the most important priority, especially during the holidays, because your kitchen gets the messiest the fastest. But it also makes your whole house feel dirty when you've got dirty dishes in your kitchen. So this is the focus: doing the dishes, putting things away, wiping the counters. If you can focus on this one main area and make sure you're doing this every day, the rest of your house is going to feel cleaner. The second of the Fab Five is your bathroom, especially the bathroom that your guests are going to use. Every single day, just go through your bathroom, wipe the counters, pick up any dirty clothes or towels that are on the floor, empty the garbages. Just give it like a little fluff and shine. Maybe add some new fresh holiday towels. It doesn't take a lot of time, like 5 minutes, to keep your bathroom under control, but this is a space that your guests are definitely going to notice. The next of the Fab Five, like the thing you have to focus on, is just 5-minute tidy ups. And I recommend doing this 2 to 3 times every single day. Usually when people are looking at a really messy home, they're thinking, where do I start? And next thing you know, you're organizing a drawer or washing the walls or like ironing your curtains. Why are you not just focusing on a 5-minute tidy up? This is going to make the hugest difference. And I recommend grabbing a tidy tote. This could be a laundry hamper or a basket, something that you carry from room to room. So as you're tidying, anything that doesn't belong in the space, don't leave that room. Just put it in your tidy tote, and as you move from room to room, empty the tidy tote into the rooms where things belong. At the end, if you have a bunch of stuff and you're like, I don't know where this belongs, this could lead you to the next Fab Five. The next Fab Five focus is decluttering, getting stuff out of your house. This could be as simple as trash. Get rid of those boxes, get rid of those like wrapping paper rolls. Make sure that trash is leaving your home, or other things too. If you have things cluttering your surface, stop stuff shuffling. If you're not sure where it goes or if you need it right now, donate it or toss it. Get it out of your home. This is a small thing that you can do that's going to have a huge impact on the state of your house. It will be tidier long term when you have less stuff. Enough is enough. You are too busy to constantly be shuffling stuff around. Just shuffle it right on out of your house. Trust me, it is so worth it. And the last of the Fab Five is laundry. If you can do a load of laundry a day, you're going to be ahead of the game. You are going to be on top of things. And I know we're already so busy, but this is going to save us time. We think if we just wait until the weekend and do our huge mountain all at the same time, that it's going to somehow make life easier, but it doesn't. A load a day is the secret. If you could just wash a load of laundry and put it away every single day, you're never going to struggle. Well, you're never going to run out of underpants, first of all, but you're also never going to have that mountain, that endless to do, those laundry piles all over the place. And so your whole house is going to feel tidier. It's not a big deal to run the vacuum or do a light dust because your house is under control. And that's what the Fab Five is all about. It's about doing the important things. It's about working smarter, not harder, and not getting distracted by all the other to-dos we think we have to do, like moving the couch to vacuum or washing the windows. This type of overwhelm makes us procrastinate and never get started in the first place. So this Christmas, focus on the five, and I promise you, your house is going to be gorge for the holidays. Thanks so much. Now let's get to the giveaway. I'm teaming up with my favorite cleaning company, Blueland, and giving away their cleaning essentials kit because these are my favorite cleaners of all time. I love that they have the reusable bottles, so I'm not throwing away plastic, and I love the smell and how great they clean. And anytime that I need to replace the liquid inside, I just pop in one of these tabs. They're about $2 each, so I'm saving a ton of money. Plop them into the warm water and that's it. Let them dissolve and you have endless supplies of amazing cleaning products. Click the link in the description to learn about Blueland's biggest sale of the year. One of you is going to win this kit. You're going to win the bottles and the foaming hand dispenser and lots of refill tabs. All you have to do to enter is down below. I'm going to put a link. Enter your email and your name. And that's it. On December 16th, I'm gonna pick one lucky winner for this Blueland Essential Cleaning Kit. And don't forget, there are so many other prizes, 12 prizes as part of this giveaway. So make sure you check out those other videos. You still have time to enter. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another giveaway.